What if your daily business banking wasn't a constant source of friction, but a streamlined, almost invisible force working for you? Imagine a world where cash flow is crystal clear, expenses are effortlessly categorized, and your financial data practically organizes itself. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for countless small businesses and growing enterprises, this isn't a fantasy, it's the reality of banking with Relay. In today's fast-paced business landscape, managing your money effectively is no longer just about paying bills and sending invoices. It's about optimizing every single financial interaction to save time, reduce stress, and empower smarter decisions. Traditional banks, with their often cumbersome processes and opaque fee structures, can feel like a relic of a bygone era. They weren't built for the agility and dynamic needs of modern businesses. That's where a platform like Relay steps in, offering a suite of features designed to transform your daily financial operations from a chore into a strategic advantage. But simply having a powerful tool isn't enough. To truly unlock the potential of Relay, you need to understand and implement the best practices for daily use. It's about leveraging its unique capabilities to their fullest, turning what might seem like small daily habits into significant long-term gains. So, get ready to dive deep into how you can make Relay your ultimate financial co-pilot, ensuring every dollar is working as hard as you are. Master your accounts, the power of compartmentalization. One of Relay's standout features, and arguably the most impactful for daily operations, is the ability to open up to 20 individual business checking accounts and 2 savings accounts, all with no hidden fees or minimum balances. This isn't just a convenience, it's a game changer for financial clarity and control. Think about it. In a traditional bank, most businesses operate with 1 or 2 checking accounts, leading to a chaotic commingling of funds. Income, expenses, payroll, taxes, marketing budgets, it all gets lumped together, making it incredibly difficult to understand where your money is truly going, or how much you actually have available for different purposes. With Relay, you can create dedicated accounts for specific purposes. Imagine an income account where all your revenue first lands. From there, you can set up automated rules to allocate percentages to other accounts, operating expenses, payroll, tax savings, profit, marketing, or even project-specific accounts. This isn't just about tidiness, it's about implementing powerful financial methodologies like Profit First with seamless ease. Best practices for account compartmentalization. Implement Profit First, or a similar methodology. Relay is practically built for Profit First. Dedicate accounts for income, profit, owner's pay, taxes, and operating expenses. This immediately gives every dollar a job and ensures you're consistently setting aside money for critical areas, rather than scrambling at the last minute. Automate transfers. This is where the magic happens. Relay allows you to set up auto-transfer rules based on percentages or fixed amounts. For instance, you can automatically transfer 15% of all incoming revenue from your income account to your profit account daily, weekly, or monthly. This eliminates manual transfers and ensures consistent adherence to your financial strategy. Categorize your spending. Beyond the core Profit First accounts, consider creating accounts for major spending categories. This could be software subscriptions, contractor payments, office supplies, or travel. This level of granularity makes it incredibly easy to track expenses, understand spending patterns, and prepare for tax season. Utilize savings accounts. Relay offers 2 savings accounts that earn APY. Use these for your tax savings and profit accounts, allowing your idle cash to work for you while remaining separate and secure from your daily operational funds. Remember, money can be transferred from checking accounts to savings, but not directly from savings to external accounts or for card purchases, reinforcing their purpose as reserves. Nickname your accounts clearly. Give each account a descriptive nickname. Marketing budget. Q3, client project X funds, emergency reserve. Clear labels make it intuitive for you and any team members with access to understand the purpose of each account at a glance. Streamline payments, in and out with ease. Efficient payment processing is the lifeblood of any business. Relay simplifies both incoming and outgoing payments, saving you time and reducing errors. Best practices for payments. Automate bill pay. Relay's Bill Pay feature allows you to manage all your vendor payments in one place. You can import unpaid bills directly from QuickBooks Online or Xero, set up scheduled or recurring payments via ACH, wire, or check, and even request payee details or W-9s directly through the platform. This means no more missed due dates or frantic last-minute payments. Leverage unlimited ACH transfers. Standard ACH transfers are free with Relay. Utilize these for recurring vendor payments, payroll, or transfers between your own accounts. For time-sensitive payments, Relay offers same-day ACH at a small fee, which can be reduced or free depending on your subscription plan. Simplify invoicing. If applicable, if you use Relay's invoicing features, customize your invoices with your branding, add line items, apply taxes and discounts, and choose how clients can pay: credit/debit card, pay by bank, ACH transfer, or domestic wire. Enable automatic reminders for due or overdue invoices to improve your accounts receivable. Accept diverse payment methods. Relay allows you to collect payments from various sources, including PayPal, Stripe, and Square. Ensure these are connected to your Relay accounts for a centralized view of all incoming funds. Manage physical and virtual cards. Issue up to 50 physical or virtual Visa debit cards to your team. This is a game changer for expense control. You can set daily or monthly spending limits for each card, approve or block specific vendors or categories, and enable receipt capture directly from the mobile app. This eliminates messy reimbursements and gives you real-time visibility into team spending. Utilize card controls for security. If a card is lost or suspected of being compromised, you can instantly freeze or terminate it within the Relay app, providing peace of mind and protecting your funds. Enhance financial visibility and reporting. One of the biggest struggles for small business owners is gaining a clear, real-time understanding of their financial health. Relay provides ultra-detailed banking data that empowers you to make informed decisions. Best practices for visibility and reporting. Integrate with accounting software. This is non-negotiable for efficient bookkeeping. Relay integrates seamlessly with QuickBooks Online and Xero, pushing fresh transaction data every few hours. This eliminates manual data entry, speeds up reconciliation, and provides your accountant or bookkeeper with accurate, up-to-date information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.